How to create a 3D rotating logo in After Effects. Creating a 3D rotating logo in After Effects is very easy. And I will show you how to do it without plugins. First, we need to create a composition and make sure to set it to Cinema 4D. Next, we need to add a logo. For example, I will use the Tesla logo because it's a very nice logo. Set the layer to 3D, which is very easy to do. Expand the layer and then expand transform. Make a keyframe for eye rotation at the beginning and another keyframe for eye rotation at around 2 or 3 seconds. And make the value of the keyframe 1 for a nice result, in my opinion. Select the keyframes and make them easy ease. Turn on the motion blur to make it smoother. It looks cool, but we can make it even better with the graph editor. Follow what I do with the graph. There we go, this looks very good. Now we need to add a plugin. Search for the CC Light Sweep plugin and the effects and presets and add it to the layer. Go to the effects controls and set the white to your liking. I set mine to 136. Play with the center to make sure that the light sweep is out of the logo and make a keyframe at the beginning. Select the layer and press U to see all the keyframes that you have created. Go to the last keyframe of the eye rotation and set the sweep light out of view again, but on the other side. Select all the keyframes and make them easy ease. Go to the graph editor and follow what I do with the graph. By the way, you can add a loop script to the animations by holding down Alt and clicking on the keyframe. Type in the script loop out and press on enter. Now you have created a simple loop for the effect. It's very easy. You can also make the logo a little bit smaller with scale and set it in the corner of your video with position for a nice effect. There we go, now you have created a very nice 3D rotating logo in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.